What up, you guys? It's Sam Helps 26, and we are back again on day 16 of our My Legion secret journey, promoting our affiliate offers, which is our multiple income funnel and ClickBank affiliate offers with our newest, the Home Business Academy. And real quick rundown for the newer people who don't know what the My Legion secret is, like we usually do for every single video. So what it is a emailing system that's gonna give you 200 to, or actually I should say 100 to 200 leads every single day, depending on if you have one person signed underneath you is gonna be the factor in whether you get the 200 leads or not. And at the end of the month, for your 200 leads that come into your mailer system every 24 hours, you'll have 6,000 leads. But if you don't get that one referral underneath your account right here, you'll have 3,000 leads at the end of the month. So every month, these are leads that are interested in working from home and business offers. So these are going to go very good with anybody interested in making money online. So that's it for the freshmen. And real quick, I want to go over a few tad bits of advice for you guys, because I had one of you guys message me on Facebook and they asked me, they said, well, it's more of what they told me is that they've been with affiliate marketing for about a year now on different programs going back and forth. And he was asking me if what he was doing was because of the way he was marketing, because he uses My Legion Secret as well, but he wasn't sure why he wasn't getting sales, and he had been bouncing back and forth from affiliate offer to affiliate offer, and you can't do that, guys. And what his problem was is that he was promoting different affiliate programs that he knew nothing about and he never took the time to learn on. And with the funnel builder affiliate programs, you want to always, I cannot stress this enough, you want to be with an affiliate program in which you know some little knowledge about and are and you have to be interested in it as well. Because if you're not interested in what you're selling, then you're going to not want to learn about it and put forth the effort in knowing how to market what you're selling to your audience. So let me show you guys exactly what I mean here. So for any affiliate marketing platform that's built under a funnel builder, which is what the multiple income funnel is, and what the Home Business Academy is their funnel builders. And every funnel building affiliate program that you're under is based under two things. And the first thing is the funnel builder itself. So I'm going to draw that right here for you guys. So FB for funnel builder. That's going to be what the first part of the whole affiliate program is based off of. And then for the second part of every funnel builder affiliate program, I'm going to write this under here for the second part, is an idea. Sorry about my handwriting. So all these affiliate funnel builders are all going to be based off in an idea in a funnel builder. So every time you pick your affiliate program funnel builder, it's going to be the idea here is going to have to be something you're interested in order to start getting sales, because it's going to drive you to be able to give more information out to the people you're selling it to, because you genuinely have a interest in what you're selling and you're able to give actual real value to the people that you're selling it to. So the idea for any funnel builder affiliate program is going to be different. So for example, for the multiple income funnel, I'm going to put MP. So that's the multiple income funnel. Their whole idea, and this is going to be the funnel. I'll put F for funnel. This is the first part of every affiliate program is going to be the funnel. Sorry about that F. So and this is going to be F2. I don't know why I put a P. So that's going to be multiple income funnel. This is going to be what the funnel is. And that's going to be your video sales letter and etc. The whole thing itself. The idea for the multiple income funnel is to have a business. So for me, I'm interested in business. So when I'm marketing this multiple income funnel, this is what I'm already interested in as a hobby. So what I'm always learning and reading books about businesses, how to run a business, and the ins and outs of them. So this is already an interest of mine. So it's a lot easier for me to go out there and try to sell it to other people because I could have more value to give to them when marketing it. And let me show you also. For the Home Business Academy, we're going to put HBA. This will be the funnel. And then for the idea of the Home Business Academy is what? To build passive income. So that's what the whole point of that is. And what's another thing I'm interested in? Building passive income. So with that, when I'm marketing this to people, this is going to give me a wide range of variety of ways I can market it, just having the knowledge I already have about building a passive income. So that's what we do on this channel, is we build income through online, or building a passive income or reoccurring income, any type of money that has anything to do with anything is going to be of interest to me. So this is a no-brainer for me to try to go get an affiliate program that has an idea that I'm already of interest in. So it makes it 100 times easier because I'm never going to get tired of learning how to market it to the people that I'm selling it to. So that's pretty much just a quick rundown of how you guys could start getting sales if you're not already getting sales. Don't just buy into any affiliate program that there is. Get something you're interested in is the whole main point of this quick presentation. But we'll get into the results from yesterday so this doesn't go on too long here. Log on to my first account. And you see this did pretty well. And what I also noticed yesterday is that now that we are at 20,000 plus leads, we are getting 100 plus clicks on every single email now. So once you get to this point, I guarantee you guys, you will start to see more progressive clicks on all of your emails and sales as well. You're going to see it start to come a lot more often, especially when it hits 200 to 300. They say that 400 is average per sale, but if you're writing good emails and following my tutorials on how we've been doing it and you're using the right email swipes, I guarantee you your sales are going to come a lot faster than you think. But that's pretty much it for the results on this account at least. And then I'll show you what we got on our other accounts as far as clicks. $171. Another one did very well. So this proves again that the email swipes that we're getting from Mike Hobbs, even though it was a long one, did pretty well. Alright, let's go look at our third account. Same email here to 4,500 leads, 67 clicks. And this is our most opened email of all time on this account, as you can see here, 713 and still growing. Yeah, so this email right here, guys, did really well. This is it right here. And this is from the Mike Hobbs email swipes. And again, all you do is just sign up with your free trial, and then you start getting the free training, and you get the email swipes, and you're really on your way with Home Business Academy to being the best affiliate marketer you could be. Just being in it for the couple weeks I've been in it, you see we've already made a significant change in all of our clicks, sales, and everything. Just our knowledge overall of this whole affiliate marketing game. Pretty awesome to see right in front of you. So we'll go look at some results and see if these clicks lead to any sales. And we're going to be starting off right here with the ClickBank. And this is our free affiliate program that is free to start. Log on here. Let's go look at our dashboard. And no new sales for today. But tomorrow we probably will rotate the ClickBank offer into our main subject line of the email swipe tomorrow, just so we do get some better clicks on it. We'll get that to change. We'll go also look at our Home Business Academy, see if we got any sales there, and then also track our clicks. So $0, no new commissions yet. We're going to keep on promoting it until we hit $1,000. And we're at 1,136 clicks. Yeah, so clicks definitely have been going down. Not sure why. Yeah, I'm gonna have to keep on messing with that capture page and make some changes and get more opt-ins. But I have been getting opt-ins every day though, so I'm not sure why people are skipping past the video. So I guess we'll just have to follow up with the leads that the people that are opting into our capture page are giving us with their name, and we'll just get them to sign up there. But moving on to our multiple income funnel, we'll see if we have any new leads or any new sales. So we'll go to our tracking links. This is where we track through all of our social media accounts. Looks like we did get a couple new leads, but no new sales yet. But now that I do have my GetResponse set up now with all my autoresponders, so I plugged all those in yesterday, so hopefully all these leads will start to turn into sales. But that's pretty much it for the results. on all of our affiliate programs. Let's go send out our emails for tonight. So I'm gonna go ahead, and since the email we sent out got so many clicks, I feel we could send it out again, and the people that have already clicked on it, see here, pretty good click rate, the best we've gotten all week. So I feel like as people were able to click on it that many times, it means they're still thinking about it. So we're gonna send it one more time and see if anything changes in our sales, which I believe it will, because many people clicked on it. So something is gonna definitely budge here. So this is our email from yesterday. All you gotta do is hit your load button and it loads it right in there for you. It's gonna be the exact email we just sent out yesterday. Hit perfect timing, preview. See, all of our links are already in there for us, but not sure why this is small. I'll fix that. Find it. Okay, now that everything looks good, scroll through. All of our links work since we know we went through them yesterday. And I'll just hit send. And that's pretty much it. I'll go through all 3 of my accounts, do the same exact thing, send the same email. And hopefully we get some sales tomorrow, guys. It's all about consistency and letting the leads build up. The 200 leads per day does add up to money. So just keep on sending out and the emails will hit. But that's it for today's video, guys. Be easy.